What are you eating? Mamas, papas, uncles, aunties, caretaker. What are you eating? Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Winning is Winning, where we dish out healthy recipes as well as talk about child nutrition. As always, I'm your girl Dammy or Damsy or Dam. You can call me whatever you want to. As always, I'm excited, happy to have you all here today. So today we're going to be talking about what exactly are you eating? Yes. What are you eating? Mamas, papas, uncles, aunties, caretaker. What are you eating? Studies have shown, and even without studies showing, we all know that children tend to copy what they see from us. Yes, my son is growing. He's over 2 years now, and he's growing. And I notice any little thing I do, subconsciously I see him doing it, and I'm so shocked and I'm so concerned. And I won't say concerned, I will not say bothered, but I'm just so surprised that yes, it's actually true. I normally hear when they say children do what we do, or children tend to copy us, as well as see it in many people's posts. Now I want to ask you a question. Children actually copy what they see. We are our children's first teacher, and it's not what you say to a child that matters, but what you do. The scriptures makes us to understand, as I'm a Christian, that it is what you do. The Bible said don't only be the hearers, but be the doers. It's easy to hear, it's easy to talk, it's easy to tell someone don't do this, it's easy to say do this, it's easy to say don't do that. But seriously, what are you doing? What you do really takes effect on whatever you imagine. Like, you may go to class today, you may go to school, you may study different courses, but at the end of the day, are you using what you studied? Are you doing what you studied? So you must ask yourself, what are you doing? What you are doing really has an impact on your child. So now, we talk about healthy recipes as well as dish out healthy recipes in this channel. So I'm going to be asking you today, my aim in this channel is for us to raise healthy kids. Now the question I want to ask is, are you really raising healthy kids? What are you really, even as you are raising healthy kids, you as a mother, you as a father, you as a caretaker, are you really eating healthy? I won't say are you raising yourself healthy. Are you eating healthy? You wake up in the morning and you say you want your child to take water. Are you taking water? It's the truth. Like, I have one big gallon of water. I take like 3 liters of water every day, and my son see me and I have his own liters too, and I drink it, and he wants to take too as well. So now my question is, what exactly you are doing? What are you eating? What are you taking into your body? Is what your children are looking at you, and is what they tend to emulate. Like, I sometimes when I was young, I have one auntie. That auntie, she can take 2 Orobo, that's 50 cl Orobo. I don't want to mention names here so I won't get strike. She will take 50 cl Orobo and drink it. So when you want to drink it now, she'll be like, no, you can't drink it. Oh, no, you can't take it. Oh, I'll be like, I normally take this too, but I take 25 cl. I don't take 50 cl Orobo. She was like, no, it's not good for you. It's not good for you. You want your sugar level to rise. And I'm like, okay, so if it's not good for me, it is actually good for you. But that was our own generation. But you see these children now, what you put inside your mouth is what they Gongon wants to do. Like, if you go to the socket, like I was saying, my child, because we normally off a certain socket, or we normally do something, go and off the lights, go and off certain socket. He too has started doing it too. It's what they see you do. Like, they don't know whether your age is there or your age no they there. As long as they see say my mama they do and my papa they do and me self I go do this thing. So now, as you see them doing what you are doing, I want to give you a challenge. What are you eating? Most parents complain that my child is not eating, my child is not taking the cereal, my child is not doing this, my child is not doing. The truth is that most of the children don't see you take cereal. They don't see you mix cereal and want to take it. They don't see you mix milk and want to drink milk. They see you take cocoa. They want to taste that thing you they take too now. So what exactly are you eating? Now you must first and foremost, what amount of what water are you taking your water? Are you taking enough water? If you want your child to take water, you have to take water as well. If you want your child to eat right, you have to eat right in their presence as well. If you want your child to eat the vegetables, fruits, you have to be eating those vegetables and fruits. Why? Because they are seeing you every day. You are your children's first teacher. You must do what you want them to do. You must eat what you want them to eat. If you want your child to eat a lot of vegetables, my sister, my brother, you have to carry a plate full of vegetables and eat it. If you want your child to take smoothies, my brother, my sister, you have to take that smoothies yourself. If you want your child to take healthy juice, you have to take it. Enough of this lining. We are the same human beings. We need to take care of our health, even right from when we are children. It is even important for children to take care of them, for you to take care of children very tender, because it grows with them. I will say it again and again. Whatever you teach your child now is definitely going to be with your child. It's going to grow with that child. It's going to be with that child till they get to adulthood, and to give them, make them to take the right decision. So whatever you are doing today makes a difference in your child. Don't say, okay, I don't want my child to take this, and you are taking it. The same goes with alcohol. If you think you are taking alcohol and you're present of child, say don't take this alcohol. For your back, now they go take the alcohol and go sugar. I go say, oh, I don't tell you. So you have to be really careful and cautious of what you're giving to your child. Mama, the water is important. I don't know why I like talking about water, because I notice most kids and most of our moms always complain that their little one don't take water, and I'm like, do you take water in their presence? Do you mix their water with the... Some children may not like water because water can be boring sometimes. I was like that too. You can put in fruit infused water to give it more flavor. You can as well give them fruits that are vegetables that are rich in water. We have cucumbers, we have watermelon, and we have so many things. You must not be just drinking ordinary water, but you could make it more spicy. You could add mint and make it so nice. Don't make food too boring like your little one. Your little one like colors, oh, they like everything. They like everything. Another thing now is fruits and veggies. I know that's a big complaint for most people, especially when they have toddlers. I like the fact that I'm raising healthy kids, as well as me and my amazing moms as well. We have introduced veggies and fruits to our little ones from a young age, so it's quite easy for them to start loving to take veggies and fruits from baby. So now if you have toddlers who are refusing to, like, one thing I noticed, my son always watch cartoons rich in fruits, like explore fruits and veggies, and each time you see apple on TV, he'll be like, mama, apples, and I give him the apples. He's excited eating it with them on TV. That's another trick. You can as well put in your little one's cartoon and scroll where they are eating fruits and veggies and see if your little one is going to accept it too. And as well as I said, you eat the fruit, you eat the veggies, you cut it and say, my dear child, I don't want to mention it here, and so let's eat this fruit together. Children are easily adaptable to what you teach them, to what they see you do. When you're eating it, you're enjoying it, you find out that your kids too will enjoy it as well. Then sleep. Most parents don't sleep, and you say, yeah, go and have siesta, go and sleep. But you too, you need to sleep. That one and me, I'm in that WhatsApp group. I need to sleep. I need to hear that one and beat myself very well. You need to sleep. You need to eat well, you need to rest well, you need to sleep well, and you need to take walks. Start encouraging your little one from now to take walks. Start inculcating good habits to your little one. The whole long and short story about today is just talking to us that our kids are really and are interested in what they see us do, not what we tell them to do. Wherever they are going to, wherever they are interested in what they see you do, not what you say. Like if they go out, for instance, they'll go to a birthday party and they offer them some kind of drinks, your kids will be like, no, I don't take this drink in my house because my parents don't take it. Why? Because you've already introduced such lifestyles to them. So it is important as we parents, it's important as we caretakers to live a lifestyle that is emulative for our children. The Bible says that train up a child in the way it should go, and when you go, it will never depart from it. That is just exactly what it is. Whatever you want your child to start doing now, spiritually, physically, mentally, nutritionally, every single thing that you want to see, it starts from now. It starts from you having this child. I don't like the fact that so many parents are not living a healthy lifestyle or eating well, and they expect their children to eat. It's just like you eating cookies and certain things, and you expect your child to go and take water and take fruit. No, it's not going to work like that. You have to be the example. You have to train up your child in the example that you want them to be. Everything you want your child to do, everything you want your child to be, you have to be first that thing, and you have to be that first that person. If you want your child to start loving, you have to show more love to your child. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just said let me come and chit chat with you, my amazing people. Thank you so much as always for stopping by. It really means a whole lot to us. I'll definitely see you in our next video. Until then, please stay safe. Remember, we love you, and remember that your little one needs all the nutrients it can get from real foods. Please let me know in the comment section if you agree with me, if you disagree with me, if you feel what we should be talking to our little ones too as well. And hope you're enjoying our videos. I hope you're enjoying our YouTube shorts. I noticed YouTube have started making it possible for us to post 30 seconds videos, and I I took advantage of that, and I'm posting. It's called YouTube YouTube shorts. I'm posting as well my short videos that I normally post on Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, then you are missing. That's where we have all the juices, that's where we have all the bubwe. So you need to be following us on Instagram, as well as follow our website. We have other recipes that are not on our Instagram page or our YouTube page, so you just need to follow us on every social media platform if you're enjoying our content. And yeah, so you never miss any good content that we post. I'll definitely see you in my next video, and I hope it's gonna be a juicy one. And until then, please stay safe and remember, we love you, and bye.